Welcome back to the channel, where today we're diving into the intriguing historical background of champagne. Did you know that this iconic bubbly beverage was actually invented by mistake? Indeed, the birth of champagne was a delightful accident. You see, in the early days of winemaking in the Champagne region of France, the cold winters would halt the fermentation process, leaving residual sugar and dormant yeast in the wine. Come spring, the yeast would awaken and kickstart a second fermentation, resulting in a fizzy drink, a phenomenon that was initially seen as a winemaking error. But, as fate would have it, this mistake would go on to become the defining feature of this prestigious beverage. The very bubbles that were once frowned upon are now the signature of this sparkling wine, creating that iconic pop and fizz that we associate with celebrations and special occasions. Originating from the Champagne region of France, this sparkling wine has become synonymous with elegance and extravagance. The story of champagne dates back centuries, with its production techniques evolving over time to cater to the elite and sophisticated palates. Indeed, the journey of champagne is a tale of luxury. It began in the verdant vineyards of France, where dedicated vintners discovered the beauty of bottle fermentation. This process, known as méthode champenoise, involves a second fermentation in the bottle, creating the signature bubbles we associate with this opulent drink. As centuries rolled on, champagne evolved from a regional delight to an international symbol of celebration and affluence. It graced the tables of royalty, and its effervescence echoed in the halls of grand balls and opulent soirees. It was the toast of choice for victories, milestones, and moments of joy. In our modern world, champagne continues to embody sophistication. Innovations in production techniques have only enhanced its allure, allowing the bubbly to maintain its position at the apex of luxury beverages. From the traditional method of fermentation in the bottle to modern innovations, champagne has consistently been at the forefront of luxury beverages. However, it hasn't always been smooth sailing for champagne producers. In the pursuit of crafting the perfect bubbly, they've faced a myriad of challenges. One of the primary struggles has been maintaining the quality, authenticity, and integrity of this prestigious drink. Picture this: you're a champagne maker in the heart of France, steeped in centuries of tradition. But at the same time, you're also a modern innovator, pushing boundaries and exploring new techniques. Balancing these two worlds of tradition and innovation is like walking a tightrope. Lean too far towards tradition and you risk stagnation. Drift too much towards innovation and you risk diluting the essence of what makes champagne, well, champagne. But the champagne industry, resilient as always, has found its balance. Despite the challenges, the resolution has come in the form of strict regulations and innovative techniques that have helped preserve the quality and reputation of champagne. The sparkle in your glass is a testament to this delicate dance of authenticity and innovation. In conclusion, champagne has left a lasting impact on culture and celebrations worldwide. This effervescent elixir, with its golden hue and delicate bubbles, has become a universal symbol of luxury, success, and sophistication. Whether it's a wedding toast, a New Year's party, or a simple night of indulgence, champagne has a way of elevating the ordinary to extraordinary. Now, imagine a world-class athlete celebrating a triumphant win without a champagne shower. Picture a New Year's Eve without the pop of a champagne cork at the stroke of midnight. It's almost unthinkable, isn't it? Champagne has woven itself into the very fabric of our celebrations, making every moment it graces just a touch more special. And while its history is steeped in tradition and elegance, the future of champagne promises continued innovation and excellence. So why not delve deeper into the world of champagne? Learn about its production, taste the variety, and appreciate the craftsmanship. Thanks for watching, and remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more content on fascinating topics like this. Cheers!